Before starting the production, each new model is well documented with sewing schemes and technological instructions. Pattern Sketch offers all the necessary features and functions to document the model technological process for manufacturing and for costs calculation. The model architecture can be defined by first arranging the parts in the stitching position. This stage is performed by the Gemini Pattern Designer ability to display the patterns in the ready-to-cut form, multiplied, flipped, symmetrized, and unfolded. The technical information is provided by using various descriptive elements like text on path to explain certain procedures on pattern contour, texturize selected parts, bullet information for specific technological messages, ornamental stitch type, where you can use the Gemini default library of 235 stitch types from all 6 classes of stitches and a library of 54 seam drawings. Art elements to mark specific technological procedures like assembly type. A simple yet powerful display option that allows you to shift from CAD view to sketch view according to your needs. Assembly definition between 2 or more parts. You can also specify the order in which the operation should be performed. Unlike a third-party sketching software, Gemini integrates the sketching and product datasheet within the pattern design software. Therefore, the product sketch is dynamically linked to the patterns and it is updated automatically in real time when changes are made during the design process. All the technical elements can be further printed out using the blueprint form. Here, you can configure how the technical documentation should be imposed on every page before printing it, and the layout can be preserved as your organization standard.